Good morning, student. Today we are talking about crop production and management. This is your first chapter in your NCERT book of class 8th. So let's begin to learning about crop production and management. So first one, crops. Plants grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale to obtain foods like cereals, pulses, vegetables and fruits, etc. It is called a crop. Next, types of crop. Crops are classified on the basis of the season in which they grow. First category, Kharif crop, and second category, Rabi crop. Kharif crop, which are shown in the rainy season. The rainy season generally from June to September in India. Examples, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton. Next, Rabi crops. Rabi crops generally grown in winter season are called Rabi crops. The time period of Rabi crops is from October to March. Examples, wheat, mustard, pea, gram. So to remember all the example of Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crop, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton. Whereas Rabi crops, wheat, mustard, pea and gram. This is entire process of crop production and management. First step, preparation of soil. Second, sowing. Third one, adding manure and fertilizer. Fourth one, irrigation. Irrigation means supply of water to crop plant. Next, weeding. Weeding, removal of weeds. Next, harvesting, then threshing, and last one, storage. Now, I will explain each step one by one. So, first step, preparation of soil. The soil is prepared for sowing the seeds of the crop by plowing, tilling, manuring. First, plowing. The process of loosening and turning the soil is called plowing. Plowing means exposing inner layer of the soil to air using hoe, plow and cultivator. Second, tilling. Tilling gives good leveling to the soil. Manuring. Manuring is done to increase the fertility of the soil. The main agricultural tools used for plowing or tilling the soil are plow, hoe and cultivate. Second step, sowing. Sowing, the process of scattering seed or putting seed in the ground soil. For growing the crop plants is called sowing. There are two methods of sowing the seed in the soil. First one, funnel method. Funnel method is traditional method, and second one, seed drill method. Seed drill method is modern method. Third step, adding manuring and fertilizer. Very important for growth of the plant or crops. The growing crops need a lot of manure and fertilizer for their proper growth. Manure is a natural substance obtained by decomposition of animal waste like cow dung, human waste and plant residues, which supplies essential elements and humus to the soil and make it more fertile. Manure provides a lot of organic matter like humus to the soil. A chemical fertilizer is a salt or an organic compound containing a necessary plant nutrient like nitrogen, phosphorus or potassium to make the more fertile. Examples of fertilizer: first, urea, ammonium sulfate and NPK. NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and irrigation. Irrigation, fourth step. The process of supplying water to crop plants in the fields is called irrigation. Irrigation can be done in two different methods. First method, traditional method. Traditional method means age-old method. Includes moat, chain pump, dhekli, rahat. Next, modern method. Modern method is sprinkler system and drip system. So first, sprinkler system. Water gets sprinkled on the crop plants as if it is raining. The sprinkler system of irrigation is more useful for the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. Next one, drip system. Drip system is the best technique for watering or irrigation fruit plants, trees and gardens. Drip system provide water to plants drop by drop, so water is not wasted at all. Drip system is very expensive, but it is very effective method and water saving method. Next step, weeding. The process of removing weeds. Weeds means weeds are unwanted plants and grass which grow along with a cultivated crop are called weeds. From a crop field is called weeding. Weeding is necessary because weeds compete with crop plants for water, nutrients, light and space and hence affect the growth of plant or crop. Weeding can be done with khurpi, seed drill, spraying 2,4-D. Spraying 2,4-D means type of spray, a toxic spray which kill the weeds and protect your plant many times, also affect your crop. So weeding is removal of excessive grass from your farm. Next step, harvesting. Harvesting, the cutting and gathering of the mature food crop is called harvesting. Threshing. Threshing, the process of removal of grain seed from the chaff. Next, last process and very important process is storage. The fresh food grains obtained by the harvesting of crops contain more moisture than required for their safe storage. So, the food grains like wheat obtained by harvesting the crops and dried in the sunlight before storing to reduce their moisture. The large scale storage of food grains is done in two ways. First one, granary, second one, silos. This is flow chart of agricultural practices. Last topic is animal husbandry. The branch of agriculture which deals with the feeding, shelter, health and breeding of the domestic animals is called animal husbandry. Animal husbandry, where animals are reared, given proper food, shelter, care, medicinal requirement are met so that they give you proper yield and proper amount of meat, milk, egg is obtained from these animals because that are also the source of food. Thank you.